Hello friends! Halika kayo mag-harvest tayo nito. Ooh, it's too sharp. So, ayan na. Yeah, na-harvest ko na my friend. Yeah. Ayan. Another, it's number 3 na dragon fruit. Ayan siya. Malanggam, my friend. Yeah, it's very nice. Halika kayo. Alis na tayo dito, my friend. So, dito naman we're going to harvest the jujube fruit. Yeah. Ito yung dragon fruit na hinarvest ko. Yeah. Ang galing ano? Napakaganda. Ayan. Sandali lang at kukunin ko yung pangsungkit, my friend. So, mayroon akong basket dito at saka yung pangsungkit. Ayan yung pangsungkit namin. Oh. Ayan. It's a pool. Ayan, halika kayo. Tingnan natin. Ayan. So, kunin natin yung ito oh. Kikita ninyo. Ayan. Ito, murado. Ay, sandali lang. It's hard to pick up. This one, my friend. Malaki siya. Ayan. Ayan, oh. Ayan. So, tikman natin, my friend. Yeah. Nagda-dry na siya. Yeah. Wala namang sarong juice. Yeah. Ayan. Yeah. Nagiging foam na yung ano, cotton. Isa pa. Ayan, napakalaki oh. Ang ganda. Yeah, here's my friend. Yeah. Kunin natin ito, sandali lang. May kumakain. Yeah. Maybe bird. So, nagre-wrinkle na siya, my friend. Ayan oh. Wrinkle. Yeah. Yeah. Nagiging pasas siya. Pwede ito, ang technique dito, nilalaga namin ito. Yeah. Yeah. At kung marami kayong ganito, ilagay ninyo sa freezer. And then, after a while, or kinabukasan, gawin ninyong snack. It's very delicious, my friend. Healthy. Ayan siya. Okay, my friend. Thank you for watching my video. And have a great day. Enjoy!